Hi everyone, I'm Tris, a tech enthusiast, and today we are going to explore why choose Go&Go for your automatic bar and car wash solution. Walk until the end to get the special tips to help you wash your car and motorbike more effectively. Imagine this, it is a busy start today. Your shop is full. Car and motorbikes are lined up. Each one coming dirty, muddy, maybe even caked with sand after a long trip. But in just minutes, they roll out sparkling clean. Customers smiling, kids pointing, for recording video. And you are watching your perfect setup, vehicle after vehicle, all day long. That's not a dream. That's what happened when you choose Go&Go, the ultimate automatic bar and car wash solution, built for a business owner who wants speed, quality, and maximum return on investment. Let's be honest, not all automatic wash systems are created equal. Some are too slow, making customer wait and costing you potential sales. Some are expensive to operate, eating into your profit margin. And some, they simply are not designed for the kind of dirt, mud, and weather challenge we face in real life. Go&Go changed the game. We have engineered the system that's faster, cleaner, and more efficient, without breaking the bank on running cars. From motorbike, street bike clean in 2 minutes, muddy off-road bike around 4 minutes, and 4 cars, standard wash from 5 to 7 minutes. Operating cost, we are talking just a few cents per wash, thanks to small water uses, efficiency electricity consumption, and specialized cleaning formula that work harder without wasting resources. And the quality, our soft touch brush, high brush spray, and precision stressor ensure a roof clean. No scratches, no missing spots, just that showroom side every customer loves. Here is where it's getting exciting for you as an investor or shop owner. With Go&Go, you are not just buying a machine, you are unlocking a business model that's proven to work. Speed equals more volume. The faster you wash, the more vehicle you can serve per day. That means more customer and more revenue, especially during peak hour. Low operating costs equal higher profits. If you can keep your cost per watt low while charging competitive price, you are making money with every single cycle. That's exactly what Go&Go is designed to do. Modern look equal instant attraction. A sleek, high-tech wash system is not just functional, it is a magnet for attention. People love to post video of the machine in action. That's free advertising on social media, bringing in even more customers. Labor efficiency. You don't need a big dream. 1 or 2 staff can operate the entire system while focusing on customer care, upselling additional service, or managing payment. And here is something that sets Go&Go apart. We don't just sell you the machine and leave you to figure it out. We provide on-site or online training, so your team knows exactly how to run the maintaining the system. Marketing strategy tailored for your local market. Business tips on pricing, upselling, and building customer loyalty. Set from day one. So why choose Go&Go for your automatic bar and car wash solution? Because it's fast, profitable, feel your real condition, back it by support. If you have been thinking about starting a car or bike wash business or upgrading your current setup, this is your moment. Don't wait until your competitors get ahead. Click the link, connect with our team, and let's bring Go&Go to your city. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Do not miss any interesting video about technology and useful products. Turn on notification now. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Hope you have a great experience with Go&Go.